world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Please ignore the neighbors' dogs. They are not at home, and the dogs have been barking constantly for a day. Okay, so this Shure Light safety match. Okay, now I'm not sure if that's what you really gotta call this thing. People call this an eternal match. Okay. And when you take it out of its little box, it looks like this, Shure Light. Now, this thing I've been using for a year, maybe more. My brother gave it to me. It's like a solid plastic thing, little ferro rod looking thing here on the side. And then we have this. You fill it with normal lighter fluid. And then unscrew it so it does not evaporate. And we have this little striker on the inside and a little bit of fluff on the outside. And if you put it in there, you have a match that always works. I think that's why they call it an eternal match. How nice is that? Anyway, now this thing is quite windproof, so you really have to give it a nice blow to get it out. And then you just put it... I'm gonna lose my mind now because of these dogs. But anyway, then you just take it out again, and we are ready to go again. Very nice, very cool. So maybe, I'm not going to say instead of your clipper lighter, because these things are pretty bulletproof. And I'm not going to say don't take your ferro rod, but this thing is also pretty awesome. Okay. All of you stay safe, happy, have a good one. We went to a braai, a very cool braai last week, Thursday. And it was for this. Magalies Manne, and they started last year already. Okay, so everybody gets one of these little pocket knives when you get there, and a glass, and then we have a good old time. And they had a, what did they call this thing? They called it a knipmes braai, which is like a pocket knife braai. So they had a lot of pigs and a lot of lambs on spits, and then once we finished it's like for charity. The previous year, they were helping a girls' orphanage. I'm not sure who they're helping this year. I didn't really listen. But it's still a great thing if you are in the area here in Montana, in South Africa. If you're in Montana, you're definitely not going to come. But anyway, so they auction up things. But the guys, yeah, you pay for charity, not for what you're getting. Anyway. So it was a great evening, but then once we are done, we all run to the different things on spits, and you start cutting off pieces and putting it on bread. We ate it like in rolls. It was a lovely evening. Anyway, I'm going to add footage of that if you want to follow along. Look at all the sheep turning around there.
Mes aand, kom ons gee 'n lekker harde klap. Ons begin sommer net daar. Niemand kan nie. Right. So asseblief, daar's mense wat hierdie goed reël en daar's baie harde werk wat hierdie goed ingaan. So
wat maklik breek. En luister net na die woorde wat hy hier skryf. Ek lees vir ons saam uit 2 Korintiërs hoofstuk 4.
Ons het die veiling, ons gaan regtig vinnig deur die veiling gaan. As die veiling klaar is, dan is die kos gereed, dan kan jy opskep en dan is die aanspreek woordelik in julle hande. My word, the last time I was out in this part of the world was a night out with Martin Bailey from Telephone Quiz, Dick Mead and a lady with the biggest cars that I've ever seen. It turned out it was Cabos van der Vestes, and well, I can tell you we're in for a fantastic evening, young.
Thank you very much. You are clearly, as you can see, the crowd are making their way out, into this area, and I think we're in for a cracker of an evening. Definitely, I do think a lot of money is going to be spent on those hunting trips.
John? Yeah, look, I've seen it before. I've seen it before, and I'm going to say it again. Hello. An auction is basically like a mall interaction. If you don't have the forward momentum, no, it means you're going backwards. And
let me tell you, the last time I saw so many oaks together was at the
strange guy wears a red tie. Apparently his name's Donald. Donald, you would like to say a few words?
Well, what a great occasion, okay? I just want to start off by saying I want to welcome every single one of you here. And do put up your hand, have a great time, and let's make the Magalies Manahan great again. Thank you.
5.000 vir die eerste maal, 5.000 vir die tweede maal, 5,5, ek het 5,5 daar, 5,5, ek het 5,5, het ek iemand vir 6, hoor ek 6, ek het 5,5,
Die raars kom ons by volgende deur.
Ja, skaapvleis, jy sal nie skaapvleis die dier geword hoor. Ja, daar is nog steeds 'n bargain, 6.000, 6.000 going once, going twice,
Vir 'n lamp.
sold, 6.000, ons gee lekker. Right, 50 sakke hout, 50 sakke charcoal.
Dit is ongelooflik.